comes with a scoop. So then whenever I finish the first protein jar, I go buy another. But the thing is that this protein jar also comes with a scoop. But I already have one scoop, so I won't really need to use the other scoop. And this is a waste of plastic. This is where my unique thought comes into play. How about a protein jar or any other products that comes with a scoop lets you choose if you want to have the scoop or if you don't want to have the scoop. This way it'll cost a little bit less and you're also saving the environment by not wasting too much plastic. And this is Aishi from Non-Academic, and if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by buying a protein jar with a scoop in it, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.